Had a knee replacement, but it's still stiff, sore, or swollen months later? You're not alone. And here's the truth, it's not your fault. Every week, I see people who've worked so hard to recover, but they've accidentally been doing things that slow healing down. In this video, I'll reveal the top 3 mistakes I see after knee replacement that quietly stalls progress, and more importantly, I'll show you what to do instead so you can finally move freely and get your confidence back. Here's what we're going to cover. The 3 biggest mistakes that slow down recovery. How to fix each one the right way. And at the end, I'll share one powerful daily habit that helps my clients get their bend and strength back twice as fast. So stick with me. You'll want to start it today. So I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and this is the Gav Noble 10x Physio channel. This is the channel that gives you all the top tips and tricks to help you stay pain-free, mobile and strong, and also stay out of the doctor's office. If that sounds like what you need, hit subscribe and let's get into it. Mistake number 1, being too careful. After surgery, we're told to take it easy, but many people take that too literally. They guard the knee, keep it straight, avoid bending, and worry that movement might damage it. Here's the reality. Your knee needs motion to heal. Movement pumps away swelling, nourishes the joint, and stops scar tissue from tightening up. Too little movement equals stiffness that can become permanent. So, what should you do? Start with gentle heel slides, supported bends, and light walking. Little and often. You're not forcing it, remember? You're coaching it. A good rule of thumb, movement that feels tight is fine. Movement that feels sharp or hot, ease back a little bit. It's just going to be a bit too much. On the other hand, now we've got mistake number 2, which is the complete opposite, which is pushing too hard, too soon. Some people try to force their knee into bending further, thinking more pain equals more progress. Unfortunately, that only leads to inflammation, swelling, and setbacks that can last for weeks. Remember, healing isn't a race. It's about consistent effort, not punishment. So, instead of going all out once a day, do smaller, consistent sessions throughout the day. That builds strength, reduces swelling, and helps your nervous system trust the new joint again. If you've had a knee replacement, tell me below. What's been the toughest part of your recovery? Stiffness, swelling, or just not knowing what's normal? Drop a comment. I do read everyone. And also, don't go anywhere, because right after this next section, I'll share that one daily habit that completely transforms recovery. It's simple, it's free, and it's 90% of people don't do it. The 3rd big mistake, forgetting about strength. Most people think knee replacement rehab is all about bending and stretching, but if you don't rebuild the muscles that support your knee, especially the quads and the hamstrings and the glutes, your progress will stall. The surgery gives you a new joint, but you still need to train the engine around it. That's why you might still feel weak or wobbly on stairs months later. It's not the joint, it's the strength around it. So, you can start with sit to stands, just from a chair. You can do some mini squats at the kitchen worktop. There are step ups that you can do, so just finding a small step just when you're ready. These help to build stability, improve balance, and protect your new joint in the long term. All right, so now we've finally done that. So here's that daily habit I promised you. I basically call them little motion snacks. So every hour, give your knee a quick movement break. 10 heel slides, a few short bends, or a short walk to the kitchen. These mini movements keep the joint lubricated, prevent swelling, and retrain your muscles to stay active all day. It is like oiling a rusty hinge. Little and often works far better than one big effort. So let's get a recap. So don't overprotect it. Your knee needs motion. Don't push too hard. Healing takes time. And don't skip strength. It's the foundation of your recovery. So what we need to do is we do need to move little and often. We need to build smart strength. And we need to stay consistent, not perfect. If you follow these steps, your recovery will finally start moving forward. And you'll be back to walking, climbing stairs, and enjoying life again. And remember, the small things done consistently always win. Keep moving, stay positive, and give your knee the chance to shine. Want to know how to rebuild your legs to stay strong and stable after surgery, especially that hip strength? You need to watch this next video, which is right here. It's Stronger Hips for over 50s with these 3 simple exercises. I'll see you there.